How to make stickers on Fiverr. Hello and welcome to QuickCat. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make Fiverr stickers. For that, open your Fiverr application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this page of your Fiverr application. Now on this page, here at the bottom, you will find 4 different options. Click on that more icon at the right bottom and you will reach to this page. From here, you will find sticker market option. Click on this option. Now at the top right, you will find 2 different icons. Click on that pencil icon ahead of the settings icon. Once you click on it, you will reach to this page. Here click on this plus sign and you will be given options to upload images from your gallery, camera, or you can just click on this just doodle and make your own sticker. Once you are satisfied with the sticker, click on the save sticker button at the bottom and here you can add a name for a sticker. Now click on this create pack option at the bottom, then click on this create. Now it has been successfully created. Now to use it, click on any of the chat to reach their chat page. And once you reach to the chat page, here at the bottom you will find emoji icon. Click on that emoji icon and now select the second options from here. Once you do so, you will find the sticker that you have created a while ago. Click on the sticker. So in this way you can make stickers on Fiverr. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.